Hi girls and boys, welcome to our first digital technology lesson for the term. I know quite a few of you guys are going to be a little bit disappointed because we were planning on using the robots this term at school, and now that we're at home we don't get the chance to do that. But don't worry, we've still got some other things planned. It'll still be pretty fun and you're still going to learn heaps. Okay, all we're going to do today, as a bit of a starting off point, is we're going to watch this video here with me, and then afterwards I've got a little activity for you guys to do with your, well, you could do it by yourself or more likely with your mum or dad or brother or sister or someone else around. Okay, now for this, because we were going to be learning how to use robots and give robots instructions, we need to talk a little bit about how robots think. Now, robots and computers, they are very stupid. They don't know how to do much at all, but they're very good at following instructions. For example, a robot we all know, like traffic lights. Traffic lights are a robot. Traffic lights are really good at following instructions. Someone has told them when to go green, when to go red, when to go orange, and they follow those instructions over and over and over again and keep everybody safe as they drive around in their cars. So traffic lights are a great example, but there are many kinds of robots all over the place. If any of you guys have a robot vacuum cleaner, they do the same thing. They're not very smart, but they're good at following instructions. Someone has showed them how to do it, and that's what they do. They drive and clean. Now, today, because you guys don't have robots at home, instead, what we're going to do is we're going to do a little play where I'm going to be Robot Mr. Staples. And I'm going to have, in this case, Amelia in grade 3-4. She's writing some instructions on how to teach me, Robot Mr. Staples, how to make a salada with some butter on it. Now remember, robots are not very smart until someone teaches them. So I am going to follow the instructions very carefully, but I don't know anything else. Now let's have a watch and see what Robot Mr. Staples does. I am Robot Mr. Staples. Teach me how to make a salada with butter on it.
Okay. First, get a salada and put it on your plate.
Get a salada and put it on my plate.
Next, get a knife and put it in a container of butter and scoop some out.
Next, get a knife, put it in a container of butter and scoop some out.
Next, spread the knife with butter on it on the salada.
Spread the knife on the salada. I am spreading the knife on the salada.
Then
Do you wish to correct that?
Now spread it on the salada.
Do I spread the knife on the salada or spread
the butter?
Spread the butter on the salada. Spreading the butter on the salada. Robot Mr. Staples is not very good at this.
Eat. Yeah, I want to have a salada.
Thank you for teaching me. Now, as you can tell from that, Robot Mr. Staples was not too smart. He could follow instructions, but he was not very smart. And that's like computers in real life. When we tell a computer to do something, for example, when you click on a YouTube video, the YouTube video pops open. Why? Because someone told it to do that. But if you click on the wrong YouTube video by accident, does the computer know that? And can it fix it for you? No, because it doesn't know anything. It can only do what we tell it to. So, your job now is I want you to think of something that you could teach a robot mum or a robot dad or a robot brother and sister. Now, this can be anything. This could be something like how to make a bowl of cereal, or how to make some toast, or cook some noodles. Anything you'd like. And I want you to either think of or write down some instructions. And your robot mum or dad or brother or sister or whoever are going to follow those instructions and see how good your instructions were. Now, the instructions have to be in order. And we have to be careful what we say. Because if we tell the computer to do the wrong thing, it's still going to follow the instructions. Okay? So give it a try. See what happens. And next week, I'm going to have an app that you guys are going to be using to practice teaching a robot how to move around. Thanks a lot, guys. I will talk to you all again soon and hope you have fun. See you later.